Welcome to a video. This is a video where I did a whole intro and I lost the footage. I don't know where it is. So, this originally was recorded the very beginning of February, and I brewed a beer for it, and I was going to show the instruments and how they worked, but I still have that footage, but not the intro. This is a Plaato company review. Hold on. That came with the packaging. I did a whole unboxing where I unboxed everything. We'll just go through what was in the box. This is a airlock, connects to Wi-Fi, and you put it into a carboy, and it actually registers and tells you through the CO2 blow off on an app what your gravity is at and how it's progressing. This came with it. It helps prevent suck back for your cold crashing, so you can actually cold crash with this, and you put this like so, and it comes with a couple little filters that you put on there, and it helps prevent oxygen getting sucked back in through cold crashing. So it's a dual-purpose airlock there. The third thing that came was this plate-looking thing. Connects to Wi-Fi. You put your keg on it, and it tells you by weight and pressure how empty your keg is at, which is really handy. There's a problem with this though, so unfortunate. We'll get into that in the video. I will say when I did connect to the Wi-Fi, there's a video on how to do that through the app you can download, and free download on the app. And I'm going to pull it up here. I'm hooked up now. You can see the numbers there. You can change your batch settings, which is cool. Fahrenheit, gallons. I do 1 gallon a lot, so I'm at 1 gallon there. My last batch is 1045 starting. You can do a correction if you want. Pretty cool. And you can do a URL with it, which is really cool. So, and then yeah, you monitor it there, and it tells you and reads all your readings out. So, how to hook it up, you go there, you go to your settings, it gives you instructions on how to hook up to the Wi-Fi. I'll put their instruction video on how to set that up in the description below. So when it does connect to Wi-Fi, 3 lights turn on here. Where is it? It's somewhere on here. And the 3 dots light up, like this, 2, 3, and you know you're connected. So let's go to me showing you how this all works. So plugging in, it has to be plugged in at all times, it seems like to me. It looks like we're good to go. It looks like it's found it. I noticed when the lights kind of just slowly go up on it, here, it's been connected. Volume, my starting gravity is 1058. American Ale. So that's it. You set your parameters and that's it. And I guess you watch it do its thing from remotely or wherever you want. We'll find out. So I'm going to put water in this, put it in the airlock. Probably use this too, why not? This suck back preventer. Cold crash it and see kind of what it does with that. So let's see what the gravity looks like in about 2 days using the app. So the cool thing about this app is you can check it from anywhere. The gravity right now is showing at 1040. Fermentation is happening. I'm going to check it again in a couple days and see where it's at. It looks like it's done. Oh, that's cool. You can check it from anywhere. I love it. It's been another week and a half. And yeah, it's been showing at 0 for the last week. I have a lager, dark lager here. I'm going to transfer it into my 1 gallon jug. Cold crash it for about 4 or 5 days. See what happens. See if the airlock stays the same. So let's come back in about 4 to 5 days. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we're good on the suck back. Water looks exactly to where it was before I cold crashed it. So yeah, the last thing I have to test is the kegging part of it. It's a keg managing system. I just kegged a beer about 3 days ago, 4 days ago. I've not tried it yet. And now this says here what this is. It's a non-invasive beer management system. It fits all homebrew kegs and lets you know how much beer you have left. It tells you how much you pour. You set your keg on top of it and set it up using your smartphone or tablet, and you're ready to go. Comes with this cord. Looks like I plug it into the bottom and plug it into an outlet. Now the only knock I would give these so far is that there's no battery operation, which would be really handy to have with my setup right now. Or just have the option. I know these are kind of small devices, so I don't know how you can really do that. But if they could figure that out in the future, that would be a great option. Yeah, I'm going to put this underneath my keg and sync it up. I connected it to the Wi-Fi just like I did with this thing here, the airlock, and I put it underneath my keg and go from there. So I can't get this thing to connect. It's interesting because it did connect to the airlock, but maybe where it's situated in the keg at the bottom or underneath the keg in the chest freezer, it won't reach the Wi-Fi. It just won't connect. I keep hitting like to zero out. It says it's offline. If you are kind of far away from Wi-Fi, that was my concern. I don't know if it has to have Wi-Fi connection the whole time. I will maybe email them and I will show it in other videos if I can get it working properly. But the rest of the products have been great, and especially this airlock, this little thing for suckback and the actual airlock itself to measure the gravity. It said it finished at 1013. That was accurate. So that's great. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. See you next time. That's not quite the end of the video. I did email Plaato. They did say that you do have to have a strong Wi-Fi connection or a Wi-Fi connection or close enough for all of these things to work. And I was specifically asking about the keg one. So he recommended getting some Wi-Fi booster. I don't know if I'll do that, but I just wanted to say that it doesn't need to be connected to Wi-Fi. And that's why it wouldn't work. All right, now it's the end of the video.
Is it going?
Yep. All right, let's
It's
take
not focusing.
It's not focusing.
It's not focusing. There we go.
Does he get the background? You're getting the whole background here.